Hello everyone, I am Anupama Sharma, your English teacher from Government Girls Senior Secondary Smart School Barnala. Today I shall let you know about the syllabus of first term of class 8. I shall also let you know about the structure of the question paper, and I shall also discuss the structure of the question paper by through a sample paper or by giving the example of a sample paper. Now, syllabus is first, your section first will be of reading skills. There will be two comprehensions, so that's two comprehension aange, dialogue based comprehension with multiple choice question या फिर unseen poster based comprehension with multiple choice questions. My English Companion ਜਿਹੜੀ book ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ 4 chapters ਆने हैं. For lesson 1, value of money, lesson 2, the aged mother, lesson 3, Saint Ravidas, lesson 4, the old sage and the brothers. उस तो इलावा 2 poems आनी है. Poem 1, the earth needs you. Poem 2, don't quit. Translation from 1 to 40. Translation ਤੁਹਾਡੀ book ਦੇ back ਤੇ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ. ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਹੀ 1 to 40 ਚੋਂ ਆਣੀ ਹੈ. vocabulary and grammar from the above mentioned chapter ਜਿਹੜੇ chapter ਉੱਪਰ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਗਏ हैं 6 ਦੇ 6 2 points 4 chapters ਉਹਨਾਂ ਚੋਂ ਹੀ vocabulary और grammar ਆਣੀ ਹੈ ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹ workbook है और चाहे ਤੁਹਾਡੀ English my English companion book है. writing section ਚ letters हैं ਤੁਹਾਡੀਆਂ और ਇਹ 7 letters हैं और 7 letters ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਹੈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਚੋਂ letters ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਉਹ teacher resources ਜਿਹੜੀ last ਚ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ books ਦੇ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਲਾਸਟ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ ਗਈਆਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਲੈਟਰ ਹੈ letter to a friend informing him about informing him about your brother's marriage and inviting him. Letter to your friend telling him why it is important to stop using single-use plastic. Third one is application to the principal of a school asking for exemption from examination. Fourth one is application to the principal asking for a school leaving certificate. Fifth one is you are Pradeep Kumar, you study in Yadavindra Public School Mohali and live in its hostel. Write a letter to your father informing him about the school trip to the science museum and that you need to pay ₹1,000 to the school for the same within a week. In the letter, you should tell him to deposit ₹1,000 in the school bank account. The account number and the name of the bank is the same in which he deposit your fee. Appendix 3rd, teachers resources. 6th letter is letter to your friend telling him or her about what steps you are taking to stay safe from COVID-19. Then notice writing, all the notices given in appendix 3, teachers resources. Now the pattern of the question paper, that means the division of marks in the question paper. Section A, reading skills. Question number 1 to 8 will be based on poster comprehension and dialogue comprehension. 8 question aange, 2 ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ comprehension ਦਿੱਤੇ ਹੋਣਗੇ, ਦੋਨਾਂ 4 MCQs ਹੋਣਗੇ और 8 ਨੰਬਰ ਦੇ ਹੋਣਗੇ. Section B, textbooks ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ question ਹੈ ਉਹ 9 to 14 ਤੱਕ based ਹੋਣਗੇ. 6 multiple choice questions ਹੋਣਗੇ ਕਿਹਦੇ ਚੋਂ value of money, the aged mother, Saint Ravidas, the old sage and the brothers. ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ 4 chapters ਚੋਂ 6 questions ਆਣਗੇ और ਸਾਰੇ multiple choice होंगे. You have to choose and pick. 15ਵਾਂ और 16ਵਾਂ question ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਏਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉਹ 15th और 16th question ਉਹ ਆਏਗਾ meaning of words. 2 MCQ ਆਣਗੇ, meaning of word ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ MCQ form ਚ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਹੋਣਗੇ from English to Punjabi. Then 17th or 18th question ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ back exercise from chapters ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਹੋਣਗੇ 2 question who said to whom ਕਿੰਨੇ ਕਿਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਿਹਾ और identify the underlined characters अलग अलग कैरेक्टर्स है, हर एक चैप्टर ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਪਏਗਾ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਚੈप्टर उस चैप्टर च वो कैरेक्टर कौन सी की सी। और ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ लेकिन वो भी MCQ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਹੋਣਗੇ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉਹਦੇ ਚੋਂ चूज एंड पिक करना होगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 to 22 ये 4 नंबर ਦੇ क्वेश्चंस होंगे पॉइंट्स ਤੇ। ਇੱਕ ਸਟਾਂਜਾ बेस्ड ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਇੱਕ ਸਟਾਂਜਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਉਹਦੇ ਚ 2 क्वेश्चंस ਦਿੱਤੇ ਹੋਣਗੇ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਸਟਾਂਜਾ ਚੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ चूज करना है। ਉਹਦੇ ਚ ਵੀ चूज एंड पिक ही है कि उस स्टैंजा चो क्वेश्चन ਦਾ आंसर ਲੱਭਣਾ है, लेकिन ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ 4 ऑप्शंस ਦਿੱਤੇ होंगे, प्रॉपर ऑप्शन ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ टिक करना है। ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ 2 क्वेश्चंस ਤੁਹਾਡੇ बेस्ड होंगे अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द पोएम ਦੀ अंडरस्टैंडिंग ਤੇ ਬੇਸ यानी क्वेश्चन आंसर फॉर्म ਚ। और ਇਹ ਸਾਰਾ पेपर ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਤੋਂ ਹੀ ਪਤਾ है और पहले भी ਤੁਸੀਂ कर चुके हो बेटा। ਇਹ ਸਾਰਾ पेपर ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ OMR शीट ਤੇ ही करना है, चूज एंड पिक। सेक्शन सी वोकैबुलरी है थोड़ी, 23rd और 24th क्वेश्चन उससे बेस्ड होएगा। वन वर्ड फॉर मैनी हो सकते हैं, प्रीफिक्सेस और सफिक्सेस हो सकते हैं, या फिर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ नाउन्स से बेस्ड हो सकते हैं क्वेश्चंस। उस तो बाद सेक्शन डी आ जाता है, ट्रांसलेशन ग्रामर एंड कंपोजिशन इज 16 मार्क्स का होएगा। उस जो ट्रांसलेशन फ्रॉम इंग्लिश टू पंजाबी, इंग्लिश दी तुहानू सेंटेंस दिते होंगे 1 to 40 तक हैं, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ट्रांसलेट करना है। 2 नंबर ਦਾ ਆਏਗਾ। 25th और 26th क्वेश्चन इस पे बेस्ड होएगा। 27th और 28th क्वेश्चन इस पे बेस्ड होएगा, ट्रांसलेशन फ्रॉम पंजाबी टू पंजाबी और हिंदी टू इंग्लिश। फिर 29th टू 35th क्वेश्चन ਜਿਹੜੇ हैं ग्रामर बेस्ड 7 नंबर ਦੇ क्वेश्चंस होंगे। ਕਿਹੜੇ ग्रामर बेस्ड हो सकते हैं, सेंटेंस एंड इट्स टाइप्स, parts of speech, determiners, transitive and intransitive verb, degrees of adjectives, finite and non-finite verbs। उस तो बाद 36 to 40 यानी 5 नंबर ਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕੰਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਪਾर्ट है, या नोटिस ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ है, या कोई पर्सनल ਲੈਟਰ या एप्लीकेशन ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ है, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਦੇਖਣਾ है, चूज करना है ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ बेटा कि ਤੁਸੀਂ किस तरह फिल करना है। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਹੀ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਚੂਜ਼ ਕਰਕੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨੋਟਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਂ ਲੈਟਰ ਨੂੰ ਫਿਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ। ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ read the conversation below and below carefully and answer the questions। Here a conversation has been, dialogues have been given to you। Sanjay, hello Pankaj, how are you? You have been absent from school for the last 2 days। Pankaj, hi Sanjay, I had food poisoning, anyway I am better now and will be going back to school tomorrow। Sanjay, did you eat something which was contaminated? Pankaj, well, I took fried oyster and some noodles at the food center on Tuesday night। Most likely it was former, that means it could have been the chicken rice or fish balls I took in our school canteen during recess, that means that will be fried oysters। Sanjay, oh I see। Pankaj, can you please tell me if there is any homework to be done? Sanjay, yes, Mrs. Boone is going to conduct a science test for our class tomorrow। Pankaj, thanks for letting me know, did she say which chapters will be tested? Sanjay, yes, she did। The test is going to cover the chapters on magnets, classification of materials and life cycles of plants। Pankaj, that is a relief, I am only unfamiliar with the chapter on magnets। A quick revision is all I shall need। Thanks and see you tomorrow। Sanjay, you are welcome, bye and take care। Then first question is, why did Pankaj call Sanjay? A, Mrs. Boone had given the class any homework? No। Mrs. Boone was going to conduct a class test? No। There was going to be a class test? No। Pankaj ne is waste te Sanjay nu nahi bulaya si। There was any homework? D option is correct। Then Sanjay and Pankaj are best friends? No। Schoolmates? Yes, it may be। Neighbors? But the proper one is they are classmates। Why was Pankaj relieved upon learning the chapters to be tested? She has already studied all the chapters thoroughly. No. She was good at subject. No. She had already studied one of the chapters to be tested. No. She was familiar with the two of the chapters to be tested. What did Pankaj suspect was the cause of her food poisoning? Noodles? No. Fish balls? No. He suspected fried oysters. Now, say no to child. This is poster comprehension. Say no to child labor. Child labor brings illiteracy, whereas child education brings literacy. What they get, what they deserve. Kavya, first B. This poster is being made by, किन्ने बनाया है poster? C. Kavya. The poster focuses on, किस चीज से poster saying yes to child labor? No. Saying no to child labor. Child labor brings literacy, burden, illiteracy. It brings illiteracy. What brings literacy? Child labor, child education, work or ethics. It is child education. Choose the correct option to answer this question. Who decided to give the narrator a chance? It is value of money. हाँ पेरेंट्स ने उन्होंने दिता सी चांस ਉਹਦੇ टीचर्स ने कि ਉਹਦੇ पेरेंट्स और टीचर दोनों ने या किसी ने भी नहीं आंसर इज फर्स्ट वन her parents. What did the mother drop along the way? Aged mother रस्ते च मां की करांदी गई सी पत्ते leaves no full यानी flowers no twigs यानी छोटी छोटी टहनियां yes. What did his father do? Saint Ravidas de पिताजी की करदे सी farmer सी. He was a cobbler, neither a farmer nor a helper nor a teacher. Who was his spiritual teacher? ਉਹਦਾ spiritual teacher कौन सी? Saint Ravidas lesson चो है. Swami Dayanand no. Swami Premanand no. Swami Adityanand no. Swami Parmanand. What did Sage give to Raman? Sage ने रमन नु की दिता सी? A piece of cloth? No. A magic stick. Next, where did poor farmer and his aged mother live in the province? In Shining province, at the foot of the mountain, both A and B या none of the above. At the foot of the mountain. Write meaning of the words in Punjabi or Hindi. Ways, तरीके, रास्ते, A और B दोनों या कोई भी नहीं. तरीके भी हो सकता है बेटा, रास्ते भी हो सकता है. इस वास्ते C करेक्ट है. A अटे B दोनों. Spiritual, आत्मा, परंपरा, भजन के आध्यात्मिक. It is आध्यात्मिक. Who said these words and to whom? Give me more chorus. राइटर ने नेबर्स नु क्या सी? राइटर ने फ्रेंड्स नु क्या सी? राइटर ने अपने पेरेंट्स नु क्या के? राइटर ने टीचर्स नु क्या? राइटर ने अपने पेरेंट्स नु क्या सी? 10 cows said dash excitedly to dash. 10 गावां. संदीप ने सेज नु क्या सी? सेज ने संदीप नु क्या सी? या हैरी ने सेज नु क्या सी? या रमन ने सेज नु क्या सी? हैरी ने क्योंकि 10 cows मंगियां सी सेज तो इस वास्ते हैरी ने क्या सी. Read the stanza and answer the following question. Often the goal is nearer than it seems to faint and faltering man. Often the struggler has given up when he might have captured the victor's cup. What is meant by faint and faltering man? The man who is weak? No. The man who is making faults? No. Both A and B? None of the above. Faint and faltering man? Both A and B. The man who is weak and he is making faults. What does the victor's cup refer to? Victor the cup तो struggler नु मिलता है? No. success, failure, all of the above. It is for success. Choose the correct option to answer these questions. Name the things which last forever. Now that needs you join. Plastic. What does the poet mean by funds are low? Ample funds, credits, limited resources. It is for limited resources. Choose the correct form of noun form of word. Amuse. Amuse, no, it is verb. Amusement. Choose the correct suffix from the word remarkable. BLE, no. KABLE, no. LE, no. It is able. I own 3 fields and 3 houses. मेरे नाल 3 घर ਅਤੇ खेत ਹਨ. No. मैं 3 खेतां ਅਤੇ 3 ਘਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਮਾਲਕ ਹਾਂ. It is correct. मैं 3 खेतां ਅਤੇ 3 ਘਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਖਰੀਦਣ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ. No, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਚ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਐਵੀਡੀ. It was the latest Bell computer. ਇਹ ਨਵੀਨਤਮ Bell computer ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸੀ. No. It was for ਇਹ ਨਵੀਨਤਮ Bell computer ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸੀ. ਇਹ ਨਵੀਨਤਮ ਘੰਟੀ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸੀ. ਘੰਟੀ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ. No. First one is correct. ਇਹ ਨਵੀਨਤਮ Bell computer ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸੀ. Bell company ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਹੈ. Now 27th, translate these sentences into English. कूड़ा ना खिलारो. Do not spread garbage. गलत. Do not litter. Do not spread dirt. None of the above. No. B is correct. Do not litter. मैनू एक नौकरी मिल गई है. I got a job. ਇਹਦਾ मतलब क्या हो गया? मैनू एक नौकरी मिल गई. I am got a job. मैं एक job. हाँ नहीं. I have got a job. It is correct. I नाल has कभी भी नहीं लगता. इस वास्ते last वाला भी incorrect. Now grammar. 7 marks. What a fine day. Choose the type of sentence. Affirmative, optative, assertive or sign of exclamation लगा है. So it is exclamatory sentence. She walked slowly. Mention the part of speech. Slowly the part of speech mention करना है. Slowly noun है. No. Adjective है. No. Adverb है. He pulled open the door. Choose whether the verb is transitive or intransitive. It is transitive verb. क्योंकि door here is, the door is object. Next. Father is honest man. And father is the honest man. No. The father is an honest man. No. My father is an honest man. Rohan is the dash boy in the class. Good boy. The naal tusi kehdi degree launde ho? Superlative. So here best is correct. I watched her dance. Choose the infinitive in the sentence. ਹੁਣ ਇੱਥੇ watched ਤੇ ਕੀ ਹੈ? verb. और infinitive ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਹੈ? dance. So correct option is B. He is fond of riding. Choose the gerund in the sentence. He, no. Fond, no. It is riding. Riding is the gerund. Now given below is an application written to the principal of the school asking for the exemption from the examination. Read it carefully and choose the correct option to complete the sentence. शुरू कित्थों करदे हुन्ने आ? The headmistress, teacher के principal. So C will be correct. Next. Desmark Senior Secondary School Jalandhar. Subject option has been given to you. Exemption from examination, exemption from paying fee, exemption from attending school, या none of these. It is first option. A is correct. Exemption from examination. Next. Sir, I am a dash of class 8th A. I am a teacher of 8th A. No. I am a student of 8th A. of your school. Our bi-monthly exams are starting from November 1st, 2021. Sir, I always stand first in all exams. My sister's wedding is falling on November 5th, 2021. As I am the only helping hand of my father, I can't take the exam this time. I request you to fourth की करोगे exempt pay give के take A exempt. I request you to exempt me from the examination. Thanking you, yours truly, no, faithfully, no. Proper word is obediently. So here comes the end of your pattern of question paper. I have let you understand. मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਮਝਾਇਆ ਹੈ by giving the example of his sample paper. Sample paper ਦਾ example ਦੇ ਕੇ ਸਮਝਾਇਆ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੇਪਰ ਦੀ ਤਿਆਰੀ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ। All the best and thank you so much.